Hi, I'm Claire O'Neill with EWA, which stands for Earth Was Aware, or EWA for short, and today I'm here in the Middlesex Fells in Winchester, or the Winchester part of the Middlesex Fells at Long Pond, to describe one of our phenology sites in order to help our citizen scientists to find the site and to find the species that we are monitoring. So the name of this site specifically, which is on the highest portion, on the high part of the Long Pond, is called Long Pond High P2. So usually we come from the lower side, which actually you can see, which is in this area here, there. So we follow, the pond, and we come to this side. So arriving from the trail, right? This is the view that we have with, of course, its bench right on the left. So beautiful view. This is our site. The first species that we monitor is a silver birch, a gray birch, sorry. And you find it right here. It's recognizable by its bark. So we monitor this birch. The reason why we monitor this birch specifically is because it's also one of the host species for one of our survey for arthropods, so arthropod abundance. So we tag this tree so that we can follow the abundance of arthropods on that species specifically. Then after that, I think that our second species, so by the way, I'm not going to necessarily show the species in the order in which they are listed on our Long Pond High P2 site in Nature's Notebook, just because I don't remember that order specifically. But we have as another species that we follow here, the red oak. So that's another species, which is also, by the way, a host tree for one of our survey of arthropod abundance as well. Then we follow sassafras. So the sassafras is here. See here. So we follow this sassafras specifically. The buds are swelling right now, but nothing much is happening. We continue, if I'm correct in that order, with a witch hazel, which is here. With the sun, it's going to be a little bit tough, but it's just, right behind this boulder, and this is here. I'm not seeing necessarily any pod from last year, so I'm not going to be able to... yes, there is one, so that you can recognize that. Pass fruit. The pass fruit, I'm climbing the boulder, and the pass fruit is here. Yeah, this one. Then we continue. I'm going down the boulder, going back to the bench which is on my left, and going back and leaving this site. We're following a few American chestnut. Nothing is happening at the moment, but it should be here in this area here, up. It's going to leaf out later in the season. And then we finish with a witch hazel, which is this witch hazel here. So we have two witch hazels at this site. And another species, by the way, that we also monitor, and we pay attention while we are doing the loop around the pond, is the painted turtle, the eastern painted turtle. And usually we look at logs, at the surface of the ponds to see if there are some. You're not going to be able to see any right now, but while I was walking around the pond, I found about 7 of them. So that's it for this site, the Long Pond High P2. Remember that all our sites are described also in an interactive map that we have on our EWA site. If you go to the EWA site and you click on the Citizenscience menu, which is in the menu tab, and if you go down that page, roughly in the middle, you're going to see our ecological studies, or you can also access it directly from the menu under Citizen Science in the main page. So I hope you're enjoying this beautiful site and a couple of mallards here, male and female. There is also a heron somewhere that you cannot see from that distance, but the great blue heron came back this week. There is one that is kind of a resident in the area, it looks like, and he came back this week. So enjoy your spring, stay healthy. Thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you there soon. Bye.